Hello, everybody. Welcome to your math assignment. So this is for your math, and we're going to start into our textbooks right away now. So for parents that have clicked on this video to watch, if they're possibly watching, and for kids, their homework is going to be stuff out of the math book. We're going to tear the pages out and put them in their blue folder. So they need to make sure to bring that home. It's in their binder, and bring their binder back. It's super important you bring binder there and back. So we all got to start somewhere. So I'm going to share the screen. This is actually my science lesson, so I'll get on to my math lesson. I'll go right to the beginning. Okay, our first two lessons are actually going to be over place value and reading tables regarding place value. So place value is how big a number is. So, you know, like a number, like, I'm gonna write one out here. Let's say like the number 2. The number 2 only has one place, so it's in the ones place. Whereas the number 20, the 0 is in the ones place, the 2 is in the tens place. Kind of number basics, but we've had a long time off, so I want to make sure that we are good to go on this. Okay, one vocab word that we're going to use a lot this year that you need to know is a digit. A digit is one specific part of a number. So for instance, the number 12 has a 1 digit and it has a 2 digit. Those are called digits, each individual little number in the thing. Okay, the number 476, like it says down here, has a 4 digit, has a 7 digit, and has a 6 digit. So digit is each individual little part of the number. Each digit has a very specific value. Starting from the right and going to the left, the place value or place increases. So all of these up here, ones, tens, hundreds, those are all places or the place value. So each 3, so in this one it has different colors. It has a purple color, an orange color, and a pink-like color. Each 3 repeat, ones, tens, hundreds. Then it does another, ones, tens, hundreds. Then another, ones, tens, hundreds. Those 1, 10s, and then hundreds then get a number in front of them. So every 3 places has a new indicator is what I'm calling it after the first 3. So you have ones, tens, hundreds. Those are just plain, the first ones. These are this purple part right here. And then you have the thousands. So you have 1,000s, 10,000s. Then you have 100,000s, okay? And then you have the millions group. And it does get bigger than the millions group, but in 4th grade, we just expect you to go up to the millions and be able to do the millions. And on millions, you have 1 millions, all the ones. Then you have the 10 millions, and then you have the 100 millions, okay? So notice how 1, 10, 100, all the way through, no matter what the other indicator is in front of that. Next, okay. So when we ask for the place value, so we have some math tests that's going to ask this, and we say, what is the place of 5? So you're going to have to know where this is. So one tip to look at this is there is 1 comma, and it's after 3 numbers. So I know that this is going to be a thousands. I might not be sure if it's a 10, I might not be sure if it's a regular thousands, 1, a 10,000s, or a 100,000. But then I remember it goes 1 from the right, 1 right here, 10, and then 100. So the 5 is in the 10,000s. What is the place of the 9? The 9 is in the first regular bracket. So I just have to count from the way over. 1, 10s, hundreds. The 9 is in the hundreds spot. What place is the 1? The 1 is in that first regular one, that regular bracket, and it's in the ones place. What place is the 2? The 2 is in that first regular bracket, so if we go just from all the way to the right on over, 1, 10s. We have it in the tens place. Now I know I didn't write it on here, but in your head, I want to see if you can remember, what is the 7s in? I'm going to give you about 5 seconds, and after that, I will tell you. Okay, hopefully you said it's in the hundred thousands because it's in the thousands portion and it's 1, 10, hundreds. It's the third one over, so it's the hundreds place. Okay, that is called place value or the value of a digit. Okay, place value. Now we all got to start somewhere. Each digit in the number below has a different value. 473,291. 473,291. The 4 in the number above represents 4 100,000s. Okay, so it's if you had 4 of those. I have a 100,000s here, a second one, a third one, a fourth one. The 7 represents 7 10,000s. Okay, it does not represent 7. It represents 7 of having 10,000s because it's in the 10,000s place. Okay, the 3 represents 3 1,000s. Okay, it's like if I had a $1,000 stack of bills, I have 3 of them. That's how you can tell. Okay, that does not represent 3 things. It represents 3,000 or 3 1,000s. That is called the value. Okay, so going backwards, it's called the place is where, what it's called. The value is how much it's worth. The place is what it's called. The value is how much it's worth. So on this one, what is the value of the 3 above? Well, I know the place, it is in the thousands place, the 1,000s. So I know that the value is 3,000. Oops, I wrote on the wrong one. 3,000. What is the value of the 2 above? It's in the first bracket. It is in the 1. So the value of the 2, the value of it is 2. What is the value of the 9 in the number above? The 9 is in the thousands bracket. And then if I count from the right, it's ones, tens, hundreds. So that is the 100,000s place, but it's 9 of those. So that's 900,000. Hopefully this helped you with the place value. Your assignments are pages 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Some of them are review pages, some of them are new pages. You guys are going to do great. For my day A students, this is going to be due next Thursday, and we'll see you from there. Bye, everybody.